You might not be waking up tired because of less sleep. It may be snoring. It could be because you are struggling to breathe all night. A lot of people blame their mattress, stress, or screens. But sometimes the real issue is that the airway is too crowded. Narrow airway can physically block that space, which means your body has to work harder just to keep getting oxygen while you sleep. That's why you can be in bed all night but still wake up exhausted. When that blockage gets addressed, breathing gets easier and you stop waking up feeling drained. Comment sleep and I will send you a quick sleep apnea checklist.